For those of you taking Thesis seminar, we've just concluded week 7. We're into week 8 now, and this will be our last week for our instrument design. If we go to our assignments tab, you'll see that we'll be concluding on Friday our instrument design, starting our data collection on March 24th, next Monday. So a lot of you this week will be applying your questionnaire, the one used to filter through and decide on the actual participants for your study. So feel free to come by my office if we need to discuss the results, if you have any questions about which participants are best for your research. We want to try to have all of our instruments reviewed. Most of you are, like I mentioned, doing a questionnaire at the beginning. You all will be doing observations, so you'll need an observation sheet and either a focus group or interview guide will also be required. So if anyone needs to discuss any of those instruments before your tutoring session, feel free to see me. Otherwise, we can discuss it in your tutoring session this week. Those of you who are scheduled for tutoring sessions on Monday, March 17th, can come by my office. We can discuss rescheduling your tutoring session for this week. But we want to have everything in order for this week so that on Monday, March 24th, you can begin your data collection. Take a look at the schedule here. We have almost 4 weeks for data collection. So it is important that you begin on March 24th, and that obviously you should have your permissions already set. So if you have schools that are requiring written permission, that you have those written permissions before you begin. So this week, really try to get that in order. Make sure that you have the paperwork that you need. If you need something from me, feel free to come by my office. I can print out something. But if you have the format, bring me the format, and like I said, I can sign that for you, and also forward that to the department head for his signature as well. Remember to continue working on your literature review based on the feedback that I provided a couple of weeks ago. If you do have any questions about the literature review, feel free to send me an email, ask in Google Drive. If you want me to look at something or provide feedback in Google Drive, please send me an email in Canvas prompting me to take a look. You may also come by my office if it's something that we need to discuss. If there's any question about the feedback that I'm providing, we can discuss that face to face. If you need to schedule additional time other than your tutoring session, we can do that as well. So let me know how things are going. If you do have any questions, we can discuss those. And we'll be getting started here preparing for data collection for next week.